This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Igor Korkin. Gorgeous renovated 3-bedroom, 3-bath with stunning south and east view of Sunny Isles Beach from corner balcony. This apartment has hurricane impact windows, tile throughout, split bedroom floor plan, ample windows filling the unit with warm natural light and spectacular views. Open kitchen with breakfast counter, custom cabinet with built-in TV, stainless steel appliances and elegant cabinets. Apartment has walk-in pantry and ample storage closets. Master bedroom is huge with walk-in closet and vanity. Second bedroom has its own bath and walk-in closet. Large guest bedroom and an additional separate guest bath. Enjoy amenities such as newly renovated heated pool with saunas, 2-room gym with aerobics floor, playroom with billiard table, library, 24-hour security, surveillance cameras and concierge services. For more information